Well, I think, I was at a point in my career where I wanted to try and do something different. And the business model was consistent with my own experience. I did a lot of due diligence and determined that, it was a good fit. Well, it's been very informative. I've learned a lot, and I've also learned a lot about the business model, how people make money, and I'd have to say that it's really met my expectations. It's pretty much what I thought it was going to be. Well, frankly, I guess it would depend on the person. You know, the it's somebody's going to make a significant investment. It does require an investment in the training and the business model, and you do require some business background, but a lot of people did a lot of due diligence on the founders. I learned that a lot of my co-classmates considered investing in other franchises and other business models, and kicked the tires pretty hard, so to speak. I can tell you that the founders and the people that have an equity investment in the company that trains us are real. The support is real, and the business model is real. So don't be afraid from the standpoint that there are a lot of things that seem unreal out there in the franchise world. A number of my so-called classmates did a lot of due diligence, and the reason for that is that there are a lot of different opportunities out there. But I would suggest if you have some interest and aptitude for the financial services industry, you're looking for someone who really cares about your interest and education and success in that industry, above and beyond the 1 week program, that it's real. I talked to a number of classmates who did even more due diligence than I did, and I found that they all came to the same conclusion that this is it's an excellent program. I did for 6, 7 months. I looked at a variety of business opportunities. This particular opportunity was consistent with things I had done in my career. I've done work for accounting and management consulting firms all my career, and this seemed to fit. It's also you have to consider what else is out there, and there's certainly no shortage of franchises or training programs that provide a different business model. But I looked pretty hard and came to the conclusion that these people had the experience and the business model that was sound.